loyi ange koti ku swekela muchaveli tanihileswi hi nga decide la ku ri luya hi n'wi yisa ngomeni ya cause loko hina hi ri vavanuna hi tshamiso yena u tshama sisi mikateko kwalaya vavanuna hikuva va hala hina
Fikisa. So loko mo kumla ku mama nami amla kumkumi teenage pregnancy.
minga a swi hlamarisi ku vona nhonyana ri na timbyana ka kuhlutini va tshama kusuhi na kruger ni le ka minga
status single angele ku joleni metro beats angele ku joleni.
All right guys wena twa ku rena na metro beats u le ku landzeleni xikarhi ka vavasati swi nga tshama kwala mara ma swi twa ku munhu wa ku user ku hela na lembe a ku user a swi humeleli guys so humelela mara mi nga vile swi ta lunga ma twisanyana and ani mava ku tshukini swi tshama swi kuma swi ri swa pinkinyana so ya futhi katika loko n'wansati ri ku n'wi rhandzeni kahle a wu kombeli manudzi vo ku copela ma twisisi a wa copa mhani loyi mani mina swo swa mina se wa navela wena What? You're right. Love in Metro Beats. Love in MisLay. Nave ne. Minga vutisa. I think una mala vutisa question yako. Very what I'm vutisa man. It's a question bro. Yeah, my nursing area. Ura ku rile xa xina vitiwa. Va nga ta na xifumo. All right. So, Mr. Metro Beats. Lo mna question again. La ku sa Metro Beats minga vutisa hayi leswo hi la ku senda mavele kwihi ni kombe ba ka senda mavele okay ndarano kuza kushira sungula then the question tingata from Kangwini nala ba nga fambela na bona but not to view ya bona but this just because you can artist nga talenta mara muso kushoko le nga i come sure sharp Metro Beats mina already na mtima right but ikukomisa unganyika ta vanhu va ku twisa ku Metro Beats imani huma kwini
njani okay so Metro Beats
batwala yeah it's a nigga yo man
Just about 12 hours.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. So Metro Beats is an artist. Oma Kakala Giani. I mix Gaza music, as you guys know me. So yeah, nigga explain so I'm an artist.
MisLay. Then when logo nyika ban la go ngwina mani. Oh, Kambinga ne? eka minga a swi hlamarisi ku vona nhwanyana ri na timbyana ka hlutini va tshama kusuhi na kruger va tshama kusuhi na kruger ni le ka minga. All right, loko na question yin'wani feel free kwalaho namta podcaster swin'we. All right,
Metro Beatz, what's your real name? Like, Vitrawe, Metro Beatz. Oh, and another thing, because and Shigaza music, right? Do you only do Shigaza music or hip hop? Because your style, yeah.
no one look what happened.
Yeah, so mavita mina straight from the ID machebele bonga ni Mosesia. Yeah, so kahle loko ni loko ni artist ni loko endla swilo swo tala, I do all these genres mara swi ya ku ni la ku tirha yini nkarhi wolowo because loko ri artist every time you need to change, you go through some phases and then swi ya ku market u lava yini ku nga ri ku va ku unique or njani. So ni endla xigaza mara influences suka ka hip hop. I was doing hip hop, yeah, so I'm doing whatever works for me lo suka ka ti genre. Yeah, so
Let's watch for this.
Oh, okay. As a Malmo Gazalishi airport, I just want to ask.
Oh wait, malume. Mina malembe mirila. Sila ku tikeni ku huma. You are an ancestor, eh? All right. All right.
I just want to ask little bit. As Malmo Gazalishi, you will never be sad. I don't know what you're like.
Yeah. Yeah.
Status. Status is single. Angelo Jolene. Metro Beatz Angelo Jolene.
All right, guys. We're not talking about Metro Beatz. Ula kulandela nxikarhi vasatsu swi nga tshama kwala. Yeah. Mi hava munhu. A ku na lomu ngiroba, a ku no ngiroba.
A ku na munhu la nga ku robiweni. Va tiva swin'wana kumbe. Why mi ni vutisa vise mi tlamala? Ku na swin'wana mi swi tivaka? Hi swihi leswi?
Oh, wait. By the way, swi nga endleka mi kha mi vo twin una twin misa loyi. I'm Stevie.
Ko twin ro n'wansati.
Hey, i ma fraternal twins. Mavon? Yeah. So mara loko ku ri u kona loyi a ndzi ta n'wi hlamulela mina a lava ku ti robisa u nga n'wi vona after after yeah. So Metro Beatz nga ri vo tala i vavasati va nge le vutseni a ku na majita vutsaku MisLay ya na malume va ri va karhele n'wina minasati se loko swo tsana hi nga vhe mi nyika n'wina ni okay MisLay mina munhu
Yeah, dating someone.
okay mina malembe ma nga mi ka mi ri swin'we
It's gonna be a year in October.
hi October
Yeah,
mi khoma lembe
yeah,
Celebrate anniversary na birthday.
yeah.
oh
Yeah.
mara ma swi tiva ku munhu wa ku user ku hela na lembe a ku user a swi humeleli guys so humelela mara mi nga vile swi ta lunga so okay guys ku na this thing ne swi nge le ku humeleli swona ka Gaza manudes ma tshama ma ri ku phohleni and then van'wana swa hi dlayisa hi vanhu va ku rhandza swilo swo hisa vavasati se va chava ku hisa xana hi ku ya n'wina ka nkarhi lowu nga le ka wena swi right na ku sendela munhu wa wena manudes na vavasati ni kombeta munhu wa ku hambana lava hey va khale vanani free atlasini machava ku yimisa voko na kwala machava
vere nhundzu ya rhumeliwa
oh if you want yeah hey
from the get go out like that now look dressed la ta ku wa tranzada loko se ku isu se de basha ewe wa
okay umwani
mina ndirile na loko a publisha ipublisha swakudya swa munhu wa yena se a swi biha mali i munhu wa yena a nga sendela munhu wa yena ivi munhu wa yena a vonisa van'wana o va publisela mina swa leswi swa leswi
eish MisLay okay ungamna commentani
why apana publisa van'wana Mara, the distribution of pornographic images is illegal in South Africa. I'm coming inside.
eish mini ba maloyera man'wana a mi nge lungi loko mo phohla va n'wina ni na maxera but yeah hi ku ya hi ntiyiso ne hi ku ya hi ntiyiso wa mhaka swi va swi ri wrong vhele loko u copa imagine u ri ka maxoze ne va ma lama thembisa manutsi u ma sendela le thembisa ivi se u kuma ma ri vanhwini ma twisisa that's why mi kuma ku vo tala swi fana luya makwakwa luya a ri ku trende ma tsundzuki wa ka n'wina vo yo vula kunene ku va bini ma twisisa a ku na tinews ti nga huma mara u ringeti na ku ti dlaya n'wana luya ma twisisa ya vo yo vula kunene so guys no believer ku loko swo mi endlekela ni mo fanekele mi tiya xin'wana na xin'wana lexi trendaka a xi hendi 3 weeks hi ta trenda ku hi ta nga trendi nkarhi wun'we u kona laha a nga tshama a trendisiwa hi manudzi u kona a nga tshama a trendisiwa hi manudzi laha I'm busy son u tshama a trenda a ri n'wanuna ma swi twisisa a ku sendela ni vavasati ntsena na vavanuna va senda u trendini misa lowani ma swi twisisa nyana and a ni mama ku tshukini swi tshama swi mikuma swi ri swa pinkinyana so ya futhi katika sharp it's fine then as mi vanhu lava nga le xikolweni le tiyunivhesiti ku na these things nge kumele futhi again ka Gaza swa ti-competition ta mfundhisi ya Giyazo lava vanhu vo tala va nge le complaineni ku ri a ti fair ku wina vanhu vo duma ku wina vanhu vo duma se tanihi vanhu lava nga mina ku ya mina vanhu lava nga le yunivhesiti ne va intelligent va smart na ti-views ta vona ti hambanile ti fana na munhu a nga le ka matsotsosela ma vo se xana n'wina mi ti vonisa ku yini ti-competition leti nga le kumeni ta mfundhisi ya Giyazo ya wa ta mi khomela mi nga vileli ya no feel free kahle kahle
ane hi rama vo as vanhu va ka Gaza hi leswo swa ku a discriminatara
ya
mavo se loko mi lo teka video mi lo ni khila mali liya yo tlhaveriwa hi bogiven ni ta nyuma ku teka video mara loko ni teka video leyi ta ri na ti-views tin'wana ta vo 100 na ti-likes ta 23 mara munhu wa duma hambi ku leswi swin'wana swo ka swi nga ri straight so boha hi laha hi ka ku fana na van'wana i swin'wana
mani manager ubule bitrangu ya loy I think kuna ngaba imsibo ka gena la le hlanga makepisa blue ebro angani mnyiketa yena wena lo mchaku kulo na yena somchaku lo kwala yeah feel free nalo kuri yin'wana yimtelile yo hleketa imbuza metro Beatz or MisLay la mayivutisi
ya mina ku nga ri mina nga yimisa voko ne mara nga vethelanyana ndhavunyana makaleta ta nhundzu
yes
se ni na question eka n'wina ku ri n'wina mi tshami mi kombela ka ta Yesu ku a mi sendela nhundzu na ende xin'wana xa kona
all right
Mali yo
a ku na yin'wana question futhi ani ma vona vo hina rhandza body
yeah
so loko n'wansati ri ku n'wi rhandzeni kahle a wu kombeli manudzi vo ku copela ma twisisi a wa copa mhani loyi swa
n'wina macopa vheke
mani mina sweswo swa mina se wa navela wena se wa navela sweswo
Matlavaki.
la
Mama Tlavelaki.
then ni nga mi pruvela na sweswo
Ne?
ya
Namtemba.
hey man kuna vatlhavela vudyela kahle ngopfu kahle a hi xihundla na loko mara kuma ku maybe wena mihleti yo wa swi lava ku ni ku user hi ta vulavula after swi nga swi vula hi ta vulavula after a ku na n'wanga na question yin'wanyana yes oh but those are ku trusting va ku trusting loko ka gili maswok mastive swi ku tikeni vele ku trusting mabo that's why yin'wana question futhi I mara nga ta gesa malembe ma misa lowani
Okay.
No, I'm trying to protect him, ne? Because the way I'm going to so ne, I call
protect you me.
Yes.
Okay.
Ita we ka yon. Yeah.
Because it makes now one time
Oh, okay.
All right.
Yeah, we'll try, ne? But the problem, podcast, ya yina. You concentrate ka yini? Ka Xitsonga. So, sorry guys, but we'll try. Ne? Yeah. Then next question, I think I'm going to have one question. Hey, Italian, but we'll try Kuri. If we get the subtitles, guys, ne? I I'm sorry about that. Ne? All right. So MisLay, loko mizama umisa ngoma leya mi chayi kwiliya yi nga za yi doma swinene ya ku nave leswi nga xikumi am reply munhu wo karhi ne
Not really.
mara ambula yini ku lexi u nga xikumi
I need a leswi. Like,
Le-
it can be a
leswi.
lifestyle.
she
Les, what I have, listen gana sona.
Oh, what you have?
Listen gana sona, it can be money, it can be, like, listen gana sona, manti says, no, I'm
so
not
far na yini I think that time I'm a student ne ambula mali NSFAS ambula nhundzu ambula la hlamula yena ambula nga
Anvula mina, na listen gana sona,
lexi
sona.
oh lexi ne
Sona. Hey, I'm a preso,
next question namhla nitane leswi nga vulani ku ri ta podcast hi kwini fa hi vulavula hi kwini a wu ri leswi
Hawa, senfanele ku yini? Tarila.
ne
Thank you.
any question maybe okay na mona u director ka mina ke Na stock van'wana mi nga zimbelela ku na loyi nga ta trenda.
Ray, all on that question is personal. What the fuck?
Mina?
Yeah.
No, I'm catch me. Believe me. Yeah. We broke up like 3 years back. Unfortunately, by the time he break up, already I now 6 months. Yeah. Yeah. So, logo usubona swin'wana ne a swi endli, you are the problem. Hunguta ndlwala ka vutomi bya un'wana munhu. Then you move.
It's not you, it's me.
Amo sungula ku swivula sweswo mara tiso mhaka hi leyiwani loko swi u swi twa a swi ku tirheli wena n'winyi ne wa swi tshika u huma ka swona. So that's why yeah kahle you can mi nga vutisa yin'wanyana futhi ya personal mi nga zimbilela, feel free. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. Tihlayini. Tihlayini, and I have a lot of unreleased songs. Okay. Nina, let's see. Okay. Mete. Okay. I think I have around 5, 6.
It's EP or
but currently I'm working on an EP, maybe an album. Taboku.
Ida Marin.
The October.
All right. Very October.
Yeah. It's 29th of June. 2024. Yeah. Last year, but I've been doing music since 2017. Look, yeah. Rion, I still am an upcoming artist. I receive.
Yeah,
I receive.
That's why, name. Feel free.
Okay, so MisLay, you are working on an album.
Yeah.
Who have you featured on your upcoming album?
Okay, who do I have? Nina Celeb, Na Balzi, Valekai. Okay, those ones Valekai. Nina Metro Beatz, obviously. Cling cling. Okay, clock it. Okay, now Metro Beatz. Yeah, those are the people Vangako so far.
So I want to ask again.
Yeah.
One of the biggest artists.
Yeah.
Again, do you have like dreams? Okay, stop.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. You think I love
yeah, she's big. She's a doctor. Languteka wona mini languteleka wona kulini kaningise music wa bona ninga stake kutirana bona ninga stake kutirana bona mama if mloko wona ninga stake kutirana n'wina.
Yeah. It's question ta kurisa ririmi.
Kombela ku vutisa uti Metro Beatz. Boni something nyana ka vanhu. Boni trend nyana yin'wanyani ka the artists masiku lama, the new upcoming artists, especially ta vafana. Abambali Xitsonga, abambala hip hop. Tsala ku vutisa ku ri loko hi languta ndhavuko na swi swa ku ri tinsimu ta Xichangani and everything ne mara ka ku hi representa why ku va na distinction mi mbala hip hop mi mbala swa va America mi nga mbali swa hina kwala ka Gaza kumbe fana mina ni nga mbala swa va Venda Mwenda why probably not that thing, why should I incorporated? Why would we should America?
Share music influence America. And Gaza, we're using our voices to represent. Because in part like Teresa, but now she's so it's better we try other ways. Voice.
So, you way influence we have America. Why I mean she don't go in many to go such a very guy you go anywhere influenceable and you are not willing to incorporate Xitsonga into your style because you are singing Tsonga music. You sing.
Okay, wait. Nanang family na ko rani nyikanya na inaninti ukar. Mungutu tain I artist. Na so I end up hip hop. So now, all right, sharp. So now what family can you moya mabusa kuyo? Emana chiko mlangu family yangu na wewe.
I think the reason why I put Hamlet is because I mostly suggest for our journey in public. And the reason being, first and foremost, as Gaza, I am Bahasa. It is not so you cannot say I'm Tsonga because of the attire. It's the same thing. Mara, Bungoda Zawena, Sonipa Yawena, humbleness Yawena that you were taught at feminine. That's what makes you Tsonga. At the end of the day, we make music that touches your soul and that should go longer. Because we day mix and language, so I'm trying to be accommodating.
And please, guys, I try and go back and forth conversation. Yeah.
Follow up. Logo I lang maybe someone who na session majors. Ne? Emon lo angana heritage. Yala. I think from Sweden or something. It was a heritage. Mara, oh, I'm really dong or something. Something essential in there. So,
so Mumlaku, Ofaga job.
All right. Question. Mara, Minale's consumption, Anna, well, bananas, no one, something. Let's assume China, I'm a barra, our China, and you pick up again. So, you get all of the question at China. So, Fabric, national protection echo. He represents Johnny. Man, this is like he represents Johnny. Ibathu, not influences the America. Ibi kairi Gaza. Mina no anola because they wanna most people lava attire about fana muresh members so nothing moves that china tona kati video china the hip hop kashkas, right? So that's why when I election contact like almost just a thought provoking question. Why should they get free? Yeah. I give it high. I'm just asking for it. Why?
We will try, I think, and incorporate Mbasa, but I do not want someone at the Zelakum Chagani Magambasa.
Yeah.
This
question is, Metro Beatz. I want to ask you, Kuri, what are you working on, and which artists do you want to work with in the future, or you are planning to work with, or like something that you are working on at the moment? Like, what's new that's coming? Are you having a new song, an album, or something like that?
Yeah, so right now, currently I'm working on my album, my first song album. Vitrayo na very born for this. And Steve na siya complain na siya mga vitray slungu. So yeah, I'm working on my album, 12 songs. Ito ang na-disclose siya siya kuna mamante artist. I want it to be a surprise. As go album ya miyo sungula, and I also have an album launch at 11th October. Album na yung may 8th October, which is my birthday. So yeah, antaranda kung siya matsikit, and then show up.
Nganyume bazela ukuba shamathikile
shamathikile moyo meulazinyana I'm looking to
yeah awungarina voice ya inani but
yeah so album ya huma at 8 October. That's the only thing I'm working on right now. So album ya lirini ko salati touch-ups 12 tracks ke artist ngo mesai ngwe kunga paparulani. And then, yeah, this one that's one I'm watching. That could surprise me. I'll mess a track list in like a few weeks, like 2 weeks or 3. Yes.
Yeah, you look at Nambi. Javutisa.
Yeah, we don't have a question again. So, until we need director manager or need director Tabina.
Yeah, we put on. Damn Jack,
okay, so. Okay, cuma marifa ni yang manager cause si kumbango for na ne. Kuna miso mo yang ka TikTok wenge I Rocky. Mara I Rocky and type ne. So kuna ngoma ngo yang ngili ku yan is ne. So title song I think ni eleri ne. So the one miso nga manager ba iba ko maya Metro Beatz ne. And then mina ku ya mi loko ning sa ngoma twat nga fa. Ane. So mina na ba ku talk and it's the manager who may metro the founder that day. Maranava go to this of figures way.
Gaza. I think look MisLay message Mdaka, please continue doing the music that support that posted and so forth. So yeah, na as Mdaka ingaku nlebukalen because I refused the feature at the time na go ilebete ka. But the Gomalita meetings are not the father. I think she got the other one. That's why I think after we had a meeting, then but delete that video because they were like, maybe it's taking the money and the meet a supporter in Mdaka for Metro Beatz. So I mean, like we can't keep on doing that like about every song, but.
Halala. The manager mhlamla kahle ngopfu amchachi mohlamula.
Okay, I want to ask. I have 2 questions. My first question is logo be feature do you guys get paid or do you pay the person for do you pay the person for a feature or do they pay you? That's my first question.
Logo feature munhu share agreement ya n'we kumla ku switirhisa kwihi. So kuna ku nga n'wi hakela munhu or mi ya hlangana ka royalties, so it's up to you. Swi between the artists ku mi tirhisa kwihi. So mina matirhelo ya mina ku when it comes to features agreement aku hundza ngopfu mali because I work with someone that I think is fire and get na munhu njenje maku ntisele mali. Even if you bring 50,000 or something, I'm not gonna take it. Nitra na munhu maku music wa no sharp and we got the same vision. If I have vision you fana, it's not gonna go anywhere. So fana is benefit na mina unlock kurisa munhu nje. So yeah, kutra agreement go for me.
Meaning ambi dunsan balo lo kutoka na 50,000 minge fume kwa la.
I get for me.
Okay. That's just it. Yeah.
My second question is you because shilungu kati goba tabuile So I want to understand, would you say your target is about 2,000 or everyone who understands Xitsonga or every Xitsonga person?
I'm planning on going national or global. So as far as I accommodate, we can't be stuck in the box. This is, so much of our offend with English, they feel like I figure out, but look, in Gaza, so compared to like Susaka and all that, we are able to reach 1 million streams. Simple. And look, check out the stats. I look at Gaza, the streams at Gaza, Gaza, the streams total. That's possible now. So if I can accommodate and to get to a better place as the artists, because we've seen them come, we've seen them go. So yeah, it rangofi history now. I study English, so that's how we're working now.
Yeah, okay, na kuhlamula.
Yeah. We do need chala mchavileri. Before I have a question, but before I actually ask my question, I'm Ranzabu. People figure that, and we started prepping for the podcast. Hey, I want to ask someone, Mkingiri go up and down say, since hey, I'm from my second year of anyways, I love our MC now, so I'm my question goes to both artists. Since me and Pro manager, I don't know who's gonna answer, but it goes to both artists. So the question is, there are record labels, and we haven't seen a lot of Xitsonga artists sign to major record labels. They only have management. So I wanted to understand from them as artists, what are the advantages and disadvantages of being independent or of signing to a major record label? Because obviously, logo signing when you get some sort of a push, you get playlisted, you get, I don't know what you get, but there are benefits. So I wanted to understand what are the benefits and disadvantages of being independent and also signing. So yeah.
You can start.
Oh yeah, so look, figure out the labels and distribution. Shut the record labels, Sakale. It's Sakale right now. Everybody's always trying to create a business out of this. That's why we woke right now. So they're trying to use something else, which is distribution deals. Yeah. So labels are posing as distribution deals, but in reality, we are signing. Kale not distribution deals. Out there, label directly. So I feel like as an independent artist, it's also easy. So we have everything we want, like everything from promo. You don't have to do too much. Don't get a TikTok of go buy a video and then your thing blows up. Elia my number one. If you go 2 million what streams, I've never paid for any promo. So it's possible as an independent artist. And I'm feeling like the artist totara, they don't know the business side of music. They don't know it. They just know kuna artist, logo ya gigin kuna mali, kuna royalties. They don't know where it comes from, and they go even man collect mali. So I feel like as Gaza artist, we are woke than the artist moyan. And this thing is about taking your time and building. So if you're waiting go campaign, push and all that, it means you don't have what it takes to blow up by yourself. So problem is
yeah, and you also. Sorry, you also get to see, okay, I'm not going to mention names, but this other artist assigned with he label, and it didn't go well, because like the person gets paid, but like angatleli mara wahakelwa the sense just a little, like that is so, it's for me it's discouraging. You sweat. You get it? Yeah, like we don't sleep touring, and then munuloani atata kunika 20,000, but you made more than that. Mara loko a ni yi ri voni ya
Swi nga endla swi
tsanana
nga
upcoming.
MC yini propose i compliment ya
Oh yeah, ya mchaveleri. MC.
not in front of the people yo mtata wa mina busy ish
Eish.
ayamshabulela tangizama inbox
Swi nga endla va ku chapela mavele boy u nga chavi. Wo vosta ku swi endlini. All right guys. Kuna van'wani a va ri na question yin'wana ndere xin'wana na xin'wana vutisani because I know kuna hi lava nyika vanyu la hi komba ku rhanga ni twa lava nga laha. All right.
Question ya mehe yi ri since Chicago so she exposed that much i kuma ni rini maybe she gaza balcony or something like that.
Oh. Anga sungulangi leker.
Yes, Gaza balcony is already there.
Yeah, mara I feel like I logo pushiweni.
Nah, I don't think it's about push or still.
Yeah.
Ati magata ko like kunava mani kahle kahle.
Oh yeah,
The
yeah.
collaboration ya kona. Kusi pusha ya man. Pela there's people who are investing in this Likompo balcony thing.
Yeah. Oh yes, true.
I'm sure arts and culture knows about this. I'm sure we will have a fund. So Kash Gaza, we still need to get to that point like we get funding from the real government for this thing.
Another thing.
So
Lexi mfana mi xitoko I ku ka Gaza ne ku na swilo swo karhi swi ya hi vanghana. Hambi mo endla yini na yini if a wu munghana wa mani a wu connected ka mani a wu nge yi helo na sweswo. Just like yini? Vanhu van'wana a va ta attend. Yeah, you see, so I think leswi nga le ku endlekeni ka Gaza kwa ku mi to ka mi nga swi tekeli enhlokweni but ko talo ku na vuxakaxaka ngopfu na le tigigini mi swi vona ka gigi ya kona hambi va ti ri 10 ka gigi leyi ku ya munhu wun'we kha ku ya vanhu van'we ntsena just because va tivana na mani ma swi twisisa nyana. Yeah.
and also ka Gaza audience ya hina yi na ti-opinions ngopfu. Yeah, audience ya hina yi na ti-opinions ngopfu. As the artist, you guys never want to celebrate. Loko munhu a endla nyana mistake, you guys don't stand up for your own. Mi nga n'wi tshika munhu a famba nje. The only thing you guys have is the opinions. Ku endleka yini. If ku huma ngoma ku fanele ku va na lava nga ku yibexeni. There's never a time va nga ta ku huma ngoma hinkwenu ya ku yingiseleni. So audience ya hina yi khomananga ka Gaza. So that's probably one of the reasons why. Because na ku hi ku hi la ku endla balcony mi nge xava mathikithi va nge xava va ta ku hi mhaka ku I mani a swi endlaka. So ku tirha sweswo ngo a ku khomananga audience ya hina yi khomananga.
Another question kombela ku tiva ku mi nga va byela yini lava nga henaku ka industry wa swi vona sweswi ku nga na ma-2K music mi na pressure ngopfu mi tshama mi karhi mi release ti-single like each and every week mi nga va byela yini lava na ku nghenaku ka xivindzi xa music va followa ti-steps ta n'wina. Question ya n'wina vambirhi MisLay na Beatz.
Lava tshama kha va release every week.
I don't know. I feel like munhu u zaheleliwa hi swo swin'wana hi swo swa ku swi yimbelela because like constantly dropping. Sorry, you're constantly dropping. Utazofika to that point you go back to a certain song that you dropped. You know, to draw inspiration, uyimbele so fana, but you just be changing marito kwala na kwala. Like you can avoid to dropa. Yeah, I don't know. That's what I can call them.
Mile swa ntavula swona I ku a hi hambaniseni inspiration na influence.
Yeah.
U kota ku hambanisa sweswo hi ku ti-artist ti nga ta ku dyondza ku like I need to find myself in the music industry. Don't do it because someone did it. Inspiration yi kahle ni nga ku inspire ku endla swin'wana na swin'wana mara don't be influenced. This is one of the reasons why I don't listen to most artists because na mina munhu vele. So if I listen to someone else nita feel like they're doing better menjani. So I hambaniseni inspiration na influence because influence is wrong. Yeah. You will never find yourself. Loko ya hela lembe swi nga tirha ka 1 kumbe ka 2.
Yeah.
Mara loko ya hela lembe, you don't know who you are. So I was to be yimbelela yini and to represent yini. So
Yeah,
that's what I say ka
represent.
the community so lava nga ku
Just doing things because people want to hear this and go trend yin. Trend ya yin. Trend ya.
Yeah. Ngari kono kana.
Kuna question
Seka auchu wanga singata mzana Mr. Post.
leswi nga ta humesa na vo Mr. Post.
Ana Mr. Post umesi October. Na wewe October ena kumula timhaka tin'wana ta ku ka Gaza ra kuma risimu album kuna so ku before ni yo vele ku promote hi tindlela tin'wana. Se wa uchu njhani so like achu
For mina ndzi nga kanchiwa because I le ka market ya one. I endle market ya one. Mina le ka ma 2K. No, na hlamula. Na hlamula. So mina ni tirhana ngopfu na the younger ones wu kona music lowu wu fambelaka la masayitini laman'wana but leswi a ni ta vula swona ngopfu i ku like why should we be scared of our own artists?
I know I thought social media njani.
Yeah, na it was social media but why should we be scared? If
No, I think you meant vona va chava.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so fear le va nga na yona vona. Ile se va la ta injecta ka wena sweswa.
Chui.
Leswi nga swi twisiseki ku like loko mi ku ni chuwe yini ni va ni chuwe side ra ti-streams ku album ku ta baya mani. Yeah, I'm one reason because
I think Gaza, when it comes to music, music number two, I think logo mkemi ngisela album yinkwato kota kuhuma mita include na yena metro sometimes yingisela and then logo mi heta ku yingisela imwena se ngata choose imbilu ya mwena kumerata yini and game forced like whether EMS the post ya Beni ya metro ya man we cannot force you to listen mara lo mix ro sungula mi run mita ku ya futhi and the music is making is to make sure we are wotanda.
Yeah. Thank you, manager. Yes, sis.
Nina, question. There's an ongoing debate about Chauke. There's a difference between Xitsonga and Shangane. So, Muina Muma Giyane or Mbo is, and then Muina Mbida broadcast is Shangan. What is your take on that? Chauke, like the Chauke, Sisi Manjari, kuna difference or there's no difference? I don't know what this is now.
Na producer wa nga hlamula mara wo fana hina ni hina we don't care kuri munhu u ta ku yini hina ma twisisa ni I know ku va kona vanhu lava nga ta ku xangana I remember na loko hi sungula ni va ku why mi ku xangani van'wana va swi teka swi ri rude but vo tala hikuva va ku swi rude mi yo dyondzisiwa hi van'wana lava mi nga fika mi kuma va kha va nga swi twisisi mana I don't care ku Changani or Mtsonga, I don't care. Ani at the end of the day na titiva but munhu loyi ni nga ta ku anga ta hlamula futhi wo fana na un'wana luya wa ta hlamula.
Okay, so vutisa ku la ku twisisa ku history ya Machangana na Matsonga endlisiwini or leswi nga twisisiwi swi.
No, because
samara ne i ku Changana na Matsonga at the end of the day hi va hi ri xilo xin'we mara ku na Matsonga which is Tongas and then there are Shangans that are from the Zulu land. Confused about that. So who knows about Soshanga? Where does it come from? Yes. So I'm a Queen Washaka. Our family of Shaka. So history of Matonga, they are from the north. Matonga, Amaronga, and all those things. And then they meet somewhere around Mozambique. Because the other ones ran away from KwaZulu-Natal and they went to the Mozambique side. So my Changana na Matsonga by the revolution at the end of the day. But by the way, all Ngoni languages we come from the north. Yo dance in South Africa, so we all come from that side. Yo spread. Then yeah, Sangana food. Mhlawumbe
I not clarify something. Not clarify something. The problem, Shangan, man, it was used as a derogatory word, and I think what that's is Changan. But it was used as a derogatory word. Kana lokho basuka amzambiki, basuka Limpopo, bata ajoni, bangama batekela hansi, chili Changan. Man, this is that's why I got the reason the K word. That's why I got the reason the N word. It's because Bitu Ibitu ne Mar Ekubana Abari Teresa, Abari Teresa because Abari Nazan, but really hungry. Follow and I'll put this word, but we don't use that word because it's a derogatory word. So that's why I'm comfortable with the word Shanghai, because it's a derogatory word in some instances.
By the way, it's not there is not quite the sago or a driver from a certain person. So Lerman Lama contrast now I'm not derived from a certain person. Moyo nyiki waban bokar, just like the K word. It's not driven from a certain person. We're not doing this of the word Shanghai. I will still group at the Sanja. By the way, Shanghai, everything also Shanghai. So someone telling me that the cause. Shouldn't quite the Sanja, no one under their own cause. I will still go to Quantum. So Shanghai, it's a word that comes from, Shanghai is a word that comes from Shanghai. So it shouldn't actually make you upset because it tells you about your history aware. So why should you be angry about that? It is a long term. So we don't do this or go about this on how to go about this and go stay.
Ako will last inga vi amahlendele ndakho. Yafala. All right. You're right.
Now I want to ask you, Gaza, recently you were suspended at this point and you went out and took a video and bashed the broadcast. Someone said not really to bash, but your video was on suspicion. I saw it. So the comment section and your interaction with your friends, it was showing some sense of you are here but you don't want to yes, I will fool So I want you to tell us why were you exactly suspended and how did you resolve it? Number two, it emphasizes that too much in the Malata Kulumba. The lie but it's a some Kulumba. So this is sharp. I'm confused. No, yes, I would say that is the wrong person. But answer the one of suspicion.
Logo, vika video liya ne? Brother manito ni ka video liya. An bla bla chung.
You just say anything.
Exactly.
You present the suspicion later, and then you put a song, and then you do some issues there. Those issues they say a lot. And your interaction with your friends,
I'm willing for nipula nimniketa me lava the interaction let him problem with all all the time. For example lesi misiwana kuloko nika social media so different this one so melan all the time wofana mina I make money social media. All the time, Mr. Davanu, I'll give you what you want to see or hear. For me not benefit. But at the end of the day, relationship is strong. That's why, for example, I'm just a character. I mean, what are character? I mean, very rude. But Mdaka, so different. So, mina layana, letter, cap Facebook. ni vhe swi vona ku vele ku na lava a yi nga kumani va tsakini ku ri ni suspend na swin'wana swin'wana vheta screenshota ni endla video right ni ya posta ka ti-reels to make money then ni mi nyika leswi mi lava ku swi vona ku ni twa ku vava ma twisisa because all the time let me tell you something loko u ri munhu wa ku tivekanyana ne the only thing xi nga ta endla u trenda hi loko u twa ku vava ma twisisa believe me n'wina swi swa ni tsalani vuku loko na ha ri tsongo ni rapiwini yi ta trend video yaleyo so all the time ni nyika vanhu leswi va lavaka ku swi twa mara a swi nga ri the way already by the time mi ya vo video liya mi ta swi va kumbe ku na 2 days difference a sa yi lunghisa no swi lunghisa khale question yaleyo i xivutiso xa kahle mara a swi huma ka management that's why va fika va swi vona ku va endli mistake ka leta nani ka leta ne ka leta a ku tsaliwanga na ku ni endlini a ni swi tivi a ni swi tivi
a hi mhaka ya I don't know loko ni hlaya lahaya hi timhaka to you said something that does not go with yeah
like so far right but one diroka mi nga ni byela ku a ni endlini kwalaya ko suspenda ni la hi le ka mina a ni nge helo rivalani ya ve nge vuyi la all right ku na yin'wana question yo hetelela hambi ku ri ya mina na swi tiva ku MisLay ya personal yi tekele ku ri ko ya personal
personal go
okay
lata vutisi yo takuyo yini your content your content is really controversial I think controversially influential. So you were suspended for maybe I think I'm assuming for a controversial post you made. I don't understand your management. If you were suspended by your management, why won't they suspend you? Knowing your content is based on controversy. So wait, when was it? Was there a clause somewhere? You can be controversial, but to an extent, and you.
Management ira nango bujela mabo. So laya ya so sponsoriwa swa hina ne. So kuna sponsor xo karhi lexi nyika vujela ka management lexi mi kuma ku xona laya maybe mi kuma ku a ni vulavuliwa ka timba bya yena nyana ma twisisa ni kuma ku dlina kwalaho se mi kuma ku ka timba lebyi ni nga vulavula hi byona se byi va faka ka problem because mina ni a ni fiyari munhu un'wana na un'wana n'wi tekateka se mara mi kuma ku laya loko se ni vulavula hi vujela lebyiya se mi kuma ku se ku na ku hi ta susa sponsorship and ani mali ya sponsor a hi lava ma vona ma twisisa se mi kuma ku va fa va ni yimisa nyana mara va swi vona ku ni yimisa naswona swi hi n'wa ndlela nyana va ni vuyisa se hi vulavula ku va right because mina ana ona serious note ai kuna lava va tsalanga na mina a ni tshama kha ni vulavula swo talatala ni se u nga kuma ku nkarhi wun'wani nte pastor mkulungwani hala ivi swa ma vona se swi hambana se mi kuma ni ta mi byela Rivonia ei ya a ni swi tivi swa Rivonia a ni swi tivi mara mahemu hi malama ya mu ti-influencer to tala ta ka Gaza ti ya kwalaya ti ya ti tiyisa and right Loko ni la ku ya anta hi va lava metro ni va kwala na vo antaya. Yeah.
MisLay, what inspired you into Gaza genre?
It's actually funny, ne? Cause I was doing I'm actually versatile. Mina loko nika Afrobeat, naigonyela. If you give me hip hop beat, I'll rap to it and stuff. Video, I posted a video ni freestyle, and then I go, why ungazamish Gaza, because at the moment it's sure shingale ku popen, and then I tried it out nkumaku, yeah, nafita, it's working out well. Chantirel, yeah. I wasn't really inspired by anyone, Mara. The Makatos Muna suggest.
All right.
And rapper, by the way.
Se vale bush na wan. Se muma bush ne. Muma kui. Palabur. Oh, okay, it's fine. Ana buta wan vale bush cause wan va ti influencer to ko muma bush bagrich. Ang uko muna muma bush bagrich la. Wagui. Vete como se va fambin. Shkwamula shama 2K mata. Machuke ma business kwamula and the vote ala vanhu lava endlaka swikwamula I vanhu va ku ma bush bakery, so that's why I like kuza question leku why matwisisi why vo Samantha Makamu swikwamula ntsena vo sele I swikwamula ntsena mavona, so that's why I like question maybe a ku na n'wana maybe a nga hlamula ku I pressure yi leyi nga kona ka ma 2K ya ku why mi fanekele mi za mi tola swikwamula. Whoa. Okay. Se va nga dyondza ku tola. Mara. Better wave, Mara. Na mimi tu so wave.
I guess it's not that common.
Minga catch. Yeah. And guys, I think Nakari so Helene. Nakari so Helene. I think Nakari so Helene. Martmo and thank you so much, guys, for oh, my question. Okay, producer.
2 minutes.
Sharp.
I don't know how this is going to come across to the artists. I want to ask you. Most of you started.
Yeah, I'm versatile.
You started with hip hop. You started. You stopped.
Ora come piano now.
Another house.
Okay.
Oh.
So, what made you divert to start music? Was it because your music, your previous music was not getting enough attention that you wanted, and you realized, great, if you start doing song music, you're going to attract more attention?
For me, I was just trying out. I know ringeta genre one like nubuli versatile. I can work with any, like, this is a talent for me. I have this music talent, so I'm versatile at the magato. And also go trenda yini. What do people want? Ningeina and a hip hop song, whereas Van Venge Ingisel, right? So actually it was more of that thing. So okay, what do people want? Yeah. Yeah.
Cause and the baba ku balba minga do me to ba ngwi tsena.
Yeah.
Unga kumina ti gigi.
He did it because in Changani, Munarazo, and
Yeah, bo. Mitrandela sotto timela. Yeah. Cosa? Northwest University students, yeah.
A whole
No, it's fine.
vibe.
Hey, I can all of something. Hey, Georgia. Georgia, all of something. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, last question. Yeah. Oh, n'wina lavo duma vo loko mi ri kona swilo swa famba ne. Oh. Lava vo na loko fika wena va ku haleya hi yo dlakuta ra kona. Ne. All right, okay. All right guys ne. Karu elini so kuna performance ta va kona swi famba ndlela right guys. Mo hi fala kwalawani. Loko mi la ku follow Gaza Bosha ka Facebook. Ka TikTok Gaza Bosha, Metro Beatz RSA, MisLay.
MisLay official.
Official, ne? Ka TikTok ne ka Facebook ne?
Ka TikTok ne ka Instagram. I'm yet to change it ka Facebook.
All right. Then Shangan Gang, mingarabala ku subscribe ka YouTube. Na akan loko mi la ku follow akanya la ngakho camera, mafika mitsala akan Jojo wa hloka BBL uta huma ye yaloyo. Thank you so much, guys. Thank God.
Shangan,